So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's probably going to be your C drive. You're going to know which one it is because it has the Windows logo on it. So you want to double click on it. And then you want to click on Windows. And then you want to scroll down until you find the temp folder. Here it is. You want to right click on temp and then click on properties. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the security tab. And then you want to click on advanced. And now you want to click on continue. And now this will come up. You want to make sure that everything here has got full control. So you want to double click on the first one and then click on full control and then click on OK. You want to repeat that for everything that will come up here. So now for the second one, it already has full control for me. But you want to select full control, which will then tick everything. Click on OK. And you want to repeat that for everything that will come up here under principal. All the principles. And now you want to click on apply. Click on yes. And then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.